As more and more of you head to vote in person, the state's infectious disease expert has some suggestions on how to stay COVID safe. And our Anastasia Bolton also looks at what you can expect to see at a polling place.
Hello, Young County voters. I wanted to take just a few minutes to share with you some of the changes to the polling places that you'll see in the July primary runoff election.
That's the voice of Lauren Sullivan. She runs elections for a small county northwest of Fort Worth. This summer's election was sort of practice for November.
The other thing you may see,
since Sullivan runs the whole thing, she's responsible for setting up all COVID-19 safety precautions
so that we can maintain social distancing.
The Texas Secretary of State has outlined minimum health protocols for all counties so staff and voters can navigate the COVID world. Recommendations include social distancing, frequent cleaning and disinfecting, making sanitizer, wipes, or soap and water available for all poll workers and voters. The counties run the elections, not the state, so the 3 counties we spoke with each had their own take on those recommendations, what's been put in place, and enforcement measures. That's why you may see some poll workers wearing masks and some not. The governor's mask order didn't mandate face coverings for voters or poll workers, but Harris County, for instance, requires face masks for its employees. There are state recommendations for voters, too.
If they leave the house, put on a mask. Really try to stay at least 6 feet away from other people.
Dr. Jennifer Schufert, an infectious disease medical officer for the Texas Department of State Health Services, also recommends bringing your own hand sanitizer to clean hands before and after voting.
We can help prevent transmission of COVID-19 between people when we know that there's already some COVID-19 circulating through communities across Texas right now.
I'm Anastasia Bolton.